You've probably heard it. Do 50 push-ups every day and you'll transform your body. Sounds simple, right? I thought so too, until I actually did it. What started as a quick daily challenge turned into something very different. Because the truth is, doing 50 push-ups a day changes you, but not in the way you expect. Let's begin. Number 1, the hype. Push-ups are legendary for a reason. They train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, all at once. Done correctly, they build muscle, burn fat, and sharpen your posture. They're the foundation of calisthenics and the test of real strength. So, I decided to go all in. 50 push-ups every day, no excuses. The first few days, pain, pure, honest pain. My chest burned, my arms gave out halfway, and my form fell apart. I had to break the 50 into tiny sets, 5 here, 10 there, just to survive. But something interesting happened. Number 2, the honeymoon. By week 2, the soreness faded, replaced by power. My sets got longer, my push-ups smoother. 15 reps felt easy, 20 felt clean. My chest looked firmer, my triceps popped. That's when I hit what I call the honeymoon phase. Quick results, fast confidence. It's addictive and dangerous. Because right when you start feeling unstoppable, the plateau hits. Number 3, the plateau. Here's the problem. Muscles grow by adapting to stress. If the stress never changes, the growth stops. Doing the same 50 reps every day trains endurance, not strength. Your body gets comfortable. It stops fighting to adapt. That's when progress disappears. Number 4, the problem no one mentions. By week 3, I noticed something strange. My shoulders were rounding forward, my chest was tight, and my back weak. Because every push-up is a pushing movement. When you only push and never pull, your body loses balance. You start building strength in the front and neglecting the muscles behind you. That's how people end up with shoulder pain, poor posture, and a body that looks strong but moves weak. Push-ups weren't the problem. Doing only push-ups was. Number 5, the fix. If you want real results, balance your training. For every push, add a pull. Bodyweight rows, pull-ups, or resistance band face pulls. They keep your shoulders stable and your posture upright. Second, respect recovery. Your muscles don't grow when you train, they grow when you rest. 2 rest days per week will do more for your progress than forcing daily burnout. And finally, master your form, because 10 perfect push-ups build more muscle than 50 sloppy ones. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, core tight, glutes squeezed, chest almost touching the floor. Move with control, not momentum. Number 6, the results. After 30 days, I was stronger, no doubt. My core tightened, my upper body more defined, and I felt sharper than before. But the biggest lesson wasn't physical, it was mental. 50 push-ups a day didn't just build my chest, it built consistency, discipline. The understanding that real progress isn't about doing more, it's about doing better. Because anyone can do push-ups, but few do them right. Number 7, the takeaway. If you want to take the challenge, do it smart. Alternate push days with pull days. Vary your grip, change your angles. Give your body a reason to adapt, not a reason to quit. That's how you build strength that lasts, not just strength that shows. So here's your challenge. Try 50 push-ups a day for 30 days. But do it the Phantom Core way. Perfect form, smart recovery, balanced training. Because real strength isn't built by counting reps. It's built by earning them. This is Phantom Core. Train smarter, push harder, and build the strength that machines can't give you. See you in the next video.